Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is the Risk Prediction of the Alzheimer Disease Conversion in the Mild Cognitive Impaired Population based on the brain age estimation. This is our objectives. One of the most prevalent neurodegenerative illness in the world is the Alzheimer disease. Determining the prevalence of the Alzheimer is crucial for lowering it. The moderate cognitive impairment. The AD conversion risk particulars. Here we suggest the danger of AD conversion assessment system, which is equipped with an automated the brain age estimation module, MRI feature extractor, as well as the AD conversion risk assessment module. Cognitive decline is linked to abnormal brain alteration. In order to evaluate the patient's quicker new generations in comparison to normal control, brain age has been created as an effective AD biomarkers. Brain age is more effective in identifying the cognitive decline than neuroimaging biomarkers like MRI and CSF biomarkers has greater clinical interpretation and application. This project is mainly for the classification of the AD disease from the Addons dataset collected from the Kaggle website and then apply the pre-processing technique for making the images are unique and data are same, and then apply the classification algorithm for the 5 classes of diseases, and then find the accuracy, loss, precision, recall, and then confusion matrix for the evaluation of the test classes. This is our objective: to improvise the accuracy with the comparison, to minimize the time complexity, to enhance the performance analysis, to implement the VGG16 for more accurate value, to enhance the time of responsibility. This is our flow diagram. From the data set, we want to select the data and pre-process the data by using the techniques such as resizing, denoising, and filtering. After the pre-processing, extract the features using the ImageNet and then split the data for training as well as the testing with a ratio 80% and 20%, and then apply the classification algorithm inception V3 model for the classifying the whether the classes belong to which category, and then finally prediction. Performance matrices is related to the accuracy and loss. This is a system architecture. From the image dataset, we want to pre-process the image and extract the features and split the data. Classification using algorithms and prediction. Performance analysis for the accuracy, loss, and classification report and confusion matrix. This is a case diagram from the user to the system. First one is the data selection, and then pre-processing, extract the feature and split the data, classification and prediction. This is CR architecture: start and load data. After that load data, we want to select the particular data and pre-process the data and extract the features and split the data. In classification, apply the CNN algorithms, and then prediction, we have to predict whether what the image is within classes. This is a sequence diagram. We have to divide that 4 sequences: start and pre-processing, and then after that classification, and then prediction. Select the data, load data, pre-processing and extraction, and splitting, classification, prediction, performance analysis. After executing our code, the output will appear in the console. This is the all the data files we have written in the dataset. After that, we have the what classes we have, that is mentioned here, and this one is the sample image of mild demand and empty and NT and then very mild, and here we have the total number of images is 6400, and here we split the X train as well as Y train. Here we further split it into the validation extract and white trainer. After this, our mobile net features our extractor for the feature extraction, and this one is the Inception v3 model for the classification purpose. The first one is the none optional, and then here we have the lot of layers to find out the classification, and here epochs are run for the validation loss and then accuracy, and then finally we get that total accuracy is here, and then this is the classification.